Hello friends, welcome to Big Foodies. Today we are making suji ka halwa or rava sheera. Suji ka halwa is a quick, easy and delicious pudding which is often made in most Indian homes and has been called by many different names. In North India, suji ka halwa or rava halwa. In Maharashtra, sheera or rava sheera. In Karnataka, sajjike. In South India as rava kesari, bath. And in Europe as semolina pudding. This halwa is often made for an auspicious occasion or a festive occasion like Diwali, Ganesh Chaturthi or a religious ceremony, or you can also make it as a dessert with a meal. You can see that how delicious and tempting it is looking, and we can feel the danedar texture easily in the halwa. Friends, Big Foodies is a place for you to find interesting and delicious recipes which can be cooked with easily available ingredients found in your kitchen. Hence, please take a moment to subscribe to Big Foodies by pressing the subscribe button to get more delicious recipes and never miss a video from Big Foodies, and hit the bell icon to get notifications about new recipes. Also, don't forget to leave a comment. It really encourages me to keep exploring, learning and improving my recipes. Let's check the ingredients now to make super delicious treat for your family and friends. Hello friends, today we are cooking suji ka halwa or rava sheera or rava kesari. It is the most popular Indian dessert. You can also call it as semolina pudding. The exciting thing about this halwa is that it cooks really fast and can be cooked with just basic ingredients available in your kitchen. So if you are in a hurry and need a dessert to serve your guests or for any occasion, then this is the best one to go for, and it tastes super delicious too. Friends, to get simple, easy and authentic recipes, please subscribe to Big Foodies and like and share this video. To make suji ka halwa, we have taken half cup of suji or semolina. There are two types of suji or semolina available, one with fine variety and other with coarse variety. You can choose any one as per your liking depending on what texture you prefer for your halwa. If you like a smooth halwa, then go for fine suji or semolina. And if you prefer danedar or granulated texture, then go for coarse suji or semolina. We prefer danedar halwa, so we are using coarse suji or semolina to make this halwa. To make suji ka halwa or semolina pudding, we have heated a pan on a medium-low flame. Now add suji or semolina in it. Add ghee or clarified butter. Traditionally, the ratio of suji and ghee are taken as equal. So we are adding about half cup of ghee here as we have taken half cup of suji. However, if you prefer to add less ghee, you can adjust it as per your preference. Only make sure you wet the suji with ghee so that it cooks nicely. We need to roast this suji on a medium-low flame until it becomes golden brown in color. While roasting, we need to stir it continuously, otherwise the suji may burn. Remember to keep the flame on medium-low. Don't make it on a high flame. If you want to make a flavorful and tasty suji ka halwa, it should be roasted on a medium-low flame really nicely until you get a nice brown color of the roasted suji. Stir it continuously while roasting. So you can see that suji is roasting really nicely and became light brown. And we are able to get a wonderful smell of the suji while it is roasting. We still need to roast it until it changes its color to golden brown. Now the suji has become golden brown in color, and also it started leaving the ghee on the sides. Once the suji will roast nicely, it will start leaving the ghee on the sides. This is the indication that the suji has roasted nicely. At this point, we will add dry fruits. So we have got some chopped almonds and cashews in a bowl along with some raisins. Add the dry fruits as per your taste. You can also add pistachios, chironji, etc. First, we will add the cashews and almonds. Roast these cashews and almonds for 2 minutes with the suji so that they get a nice crunch. Keep stirring it after adding dry fruits. After roasting the cashews and almonds for 2 minutes, we can add raisins. Raisins will puff up really fast, that's why we are adding them after adding cashews and almonds. Now the dry fruits are roasted nicely. Now we will add the hot boiled water. Add the water slowly as it's going to bubble up a lot while adding. You can also add hot milk here instead of the water if you prefer to add milk in the suji ka halwa. Or you can also take half milk and half water to add into the suji ka halwa. Keep stirring it continuously. Keep the flame on medium after adding the water. Suji or semolina will absorb all the water. Adjust the amount of water as per the desired consistency of halwa. After suji absorbs the water, reduce the flame to medium-low again as it will bubble a lot. Add about half teaspoon of cardamom powder, which is 4 green cardamoms crushed into powder form. Cardamom will give a wonderful taste and flavor to suji ka halwa. To give a nice golden color to the suji ka halwa, we will add saffron. To prepare saffron for halwa, we have added the strands of saffron in 2 tablespoons of warm milk for 20 minutes. And you can see the milk has got a beautiful color. Now we will add this milk along with the saffron to suji ka halwa. It will give a beautiful color to the suji ka halwa. Mix it well. After mixing it well, add the sugar or jaggery powder as per your taste to add sweetness to the suji ka halwa. We are adding jaggery powder in our halwa because it is healthier than sugar. Traditionally, the amount of sugar or jaggery powder is taken as equal to the amount of suji taken. We are taking half cup of jaggery powder here as we have taken half cup of suji. Mix it well. Some people make sugar syrup or chashni and then add it to suji ka halwa. However, we prefer to add sugar in this way in the end after adding everything else without boiling it. If you like to add the sugar syrup, then you can do it as per your choice. Mix it really well. So our suji ka halwa is ready. Now we can serve suji ka halwa, and at the time of serving, add some ghee or clarified butter on top to give it extra flavor. So friends, we have served the suji ka halwa and you can see how beautiful it looks. And if we check it, we can clearly see and feel its danedar texture. And trust me, danedar halwa really tastes super delicious and you will love it. This is very healthy dessert and kids will love it. You can serve this halwa as a breakfast, snack or as a dessert with a meal. Enjoy it with your family and friends. Friends, to get simple, easy and authentic recipes, please hit the subscribe button to subscribe Big Foodies for many more delicious recipes and hit the bell icon to get the notifications about new recipes. And don't forget to like and share this video. Please share your experience with us in the comments as it really encourages me to keep exploring, learning and improving my recipes. Friends, if you want to watch Big Foodies recipes in Hindi, then please visit and subscribe to Big Foodies Hindi channel for recipes in Hindi language. The link is given here. Thank you so much for watching.